Look at the pictures. There are some circles. There are some circles on the floor, and there are some personal pronouns, subjective pronouns. I, he, and they. And there are some sentences also for the pronouns. You have to select the right sentence to the pronoun. You have to select the right sentence to the pronoun. So there are two options. You have to select one option which is right. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Who will come first? Subhan.
I don't come late. I don't come late. He doesn't eat junk food. They don't play cricket.
Good. Claps. Start. I don't come late. Good. No. What is it? Right. Claps. Very good. Good. Go. I don't come late. Very good. Jump. Jump. Go. Yes.
I don't come late. He doesn't eat junk food. They don't play cricket.
Okay. Yes, once again, listen to me, children. I don't. Wait. Listen to me. Don't for I. Doesn't for he. Don't for I. In the same way, doesn't for she. Doesn't for it. Don't for we. Don't for I. Don't for you. Okay? Okay, claps.